Stand by the cold gray water where the west wind blows. Silent sheds were sleeping, everybody knows. For many long winters, only girls remained. Now I hear the hammers, they're welding again. Steel sparks climb like fireflies against the morning rain. Old hands find their rhythm, steel feels still the same. The cranes wake up slowly, shaking off the pain. You can hear the harbor say, they're welding again. They're welding again, Lord, they're welding again. Blue arcs paint the darkness where hope had gotten thin. Every beat's a promise, every plate a friend. Listen to that harbor, they're welding again. The torches sing in daylight, the grinders cry at night. The heavy hearts grow lighter in that electric light. Ships are born from patience, from muscle, sweat, and flame. You can smell tomorrow, they're welding again. Rust gives way to fresh steel, cold gives way to heat. Paychecks fill the kitchen, boots shield muddy feet. The sea has waited long enough, calling like an old friend. The tide is moving forward, they're welding again. Some folks count their fortunes in silver, gold, and grain. Others count the sparks that dance across the rain. A town can lose its heartbeat, but not forever, friend. You know it's still alive when they're welding again. They're welding again, Lord, they're welding again. The echoes roll for miles across the Bothnian wind. From silent slips to roaring lifts, the story starts again. Raise your glass to working hands, they're welding again. Hear that blue arc humming through the salt and rain. Sounds like hope to me.